Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you all to a very important part of Korean grammar. That is the Korean Irregular Conjugation. So let's start. Now we all know that in Korean language, every verb and adjective it ends in ta. And this is called the dictionary form or the base form of that verb or adjective. Okay. But we also know that if you want to use any verb or adjective in a sentence, then it has to be conjugated from its dictionary form. We know that. Now, there are some rules for conjugating a verb or adjective in the past tense, present tense and future tense, right? And we already learned the conjugation of verbs and adjectives in all these three tenses. If you have not watched those videos yet where I explained the conjugation of verbs and adjectives, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. I'm going to share the link of that particular playlist in the description. Okay. Now we know that there are different rules for conjugating a verb or an adjective, and these rules they differ depending on the stem of the verb or adjective. We know that if the stem ends with a vowel, then there is a different rule of conjugation. If the stem ends in a consonant, then there is a different rule, and then there are particular cases, right? So this is called regular conjugation, okay? Because there is a given set of rules that the verbs or adjectives they follow, and that is why it is called regular conjugation. But there are some exceptions. ओके चाहे आप कोई सी भी लैंग्वेज पढ़ रहे हो, हर लैंग्वेज में कुछ ना कुछ एक्सेप्शंस कहीं ना कहीं होते हैं. सो सिमिलरली इन कोरियन लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग कॉन्जुगेशन of verbs and adjective, then there are some exceptions. Okay, there are certain verbs and adjectives that do not adhere to these regular conjugation rules. ऐसे verbs और adjectives भी हैं जो इन regular conjugation rules को follow नहीं करते. तो इसीलिए ऐसे verbs को, ऐसे adjectives को क्या कहा जाता है? Irregular verbs or irregular adjectives. Okay, and their conjugation is called irregular conjugation. It's very simple. Regular का opposite irregular. तो जो regular rules को follow नहीं कर रहा है वो irregular कहलाएगा. Okay, so these kind of verbs or adjectives they are called irregular verbs or irregular adjectives. Okay, now remember one thing that we are going to learn later on, but you should keep this in mind, that these irregular conjugation rules they are applied not only during conjugation of verbs and adjectives, but also when some additional elements like conjunctions or different grammatical principles they are added to the stem of the verb or the adjective. Okay, तो सिर्फ conjugation के वक्त ही ये rules apply नहीं होते हैं. अगर आप कोई grammatical principle in verbs पे, in adjectives पे apply कर रहे हैं particular principles, then also these irregular conjugation rules are applied on them. Okay, just remember this. ये higher level grammar है. Okay, but just keep this in mind. Okay, so there are 7 irregulars in Korean language: shiat, thiat, phiat, liat, hiat. Okay, these are the 7 irregulars. इनकी जो नेमिंग है, ये जो स्टेम है वर्ब का या एडजेक्टिव का, उसके फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट पे बेस्ड है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ द फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट ऑफ द वर्ब स्टेम और द एडजेक्टिव स्टेम इज शियत, तो उस पर शियत इरेगुलर ये अप्लाई होता है. ओके, सो दीज आर नेम्ड आफ्टर द फाइनल कॉन्सोनेंट प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ब और एडजेक्टिव स्टेम. Alright, so these 7 irregulars, we are going to learn all of them one by one in the upcoming videos. Okay, so this is the introduction of the Korean Irregular Conjugation. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.